Hi everybody, thank you so much. Look at me, I'm so excited to show you this. This is Kimberly with Beauty by Sewn, and I am so pumped to show you this. It's a gorgeous duo highlight and glow palette. It is exclusive, limited time, must have, only Bobbi Brown Cosmetics, and they're two gorgeous colors. This is the Bear Glow and an Opal Glow, and I wanted to take a minute to show you how to use it. I mean, you really can't go wrong. I don't want to go over the top because you can easily, because they're just so sumptuous looking. You just think, oh, let me put it on everywhere. So I just have bronzer on. I do have a little touch of blush. My skin is glowing, but I think it's more from the ring lights versus any product. So what you want to do when you're working with a pinkish highlighter, you know, it's great to use as a blush tone. So I'm going to just take a bigger, fluffier brush and apply it here onto the apple of my cheeks and blending that sort of back onto the top of my cheekbones. And you can see it gives a really nice, pretty, and it's called an Opal Glow highlight. Look at that, so pretty. So you could stop there, but this Bear Glow, I am obsessed with using it with actually an eyeshadow brush. This is a really bigger eyeshadow brush. This is called an Eye Sweet brush from Bobbi Brown. So I'm gonna take this on the Bear Glow. Look at all that color payoff. And I'm going to do spot placement with the glow. So where to apply glow? Bridge of the nose. Here, actually, I'm going to apply it a little bit here right under my eye on the top of the cheekbone. And I'm going to then take a little bit of the Bear Glow and tap it here just at the Cupid's bow. And then I'm going to take, again, a small amount, and I'm going to stamp a little bit just onto my brow bones. A little bit outside of the tail of my brow bones, not on the inner part of my eyebrows. Do you see here? And then I'm going to take a really small little brush, just a little, and dab just a little je ne sais quoi amount right here on the inner corner. And it just gives that little je ne sais quoi, little bit of inner glow to the inner corner of my eyes. Not too much, just more sort of right at that inner rim. Look at that. Woo, glowing for the holidays. So wanted to take a minute, show to you this awesome, fun palette, this amazing packaging. What a great gift, but also, I mean, you could keep one or two for yourself. So have fun, enjoy, and glow, glow, glow all the way this holiday. Huge hugs. Bye.